Yeah, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we can have a look. This is the plantation of tea in Indonesia, particularly in the west of Java. You can have a look early morning, see the fog on this area. So all people will start the work, particularly the farmers, for the harvesting of tea. So you can have a look here, how it look like, because at the behind of you, so behind of me you can have a look. This is part of the plant already harvested, but here now will be started for the harvesting. They still use a lot of people for the harvesting farm by not by machine, by manual. So you can have a look how they select the leaf. This is the one of the good quality of the leaf. Why they take early morning? Because the leaf still good figure, so no perforation. If they take during the day, so the leaf will leave it not fresh, so they should take in the fresh. So and then after that they select the good quality of the leaf. You can compare with this one. This is the other leaf, not so clean. So this already infected by the fungus, but it's clear, free from any kind of the fungus. So in the process we take this one. This should be rejected, not to be exported to other country. So this is the good quality, and then they process mostly for the green tea in here. So all this you can have a look here. No any kind of the treatment by using the chemical. This is really integrated. Whatever they sow, the fungus here, they try to do the treatment by organic matter by using any herbal for the control of the leaf. So this the farmer must be done in here. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You can have a look how nice the weather in here, how nice view of the environment in the mountain, how they grow the tree in here. So the altitude in this area around 1,300 meters above sea level. You can have a look how they grow the tea in here in the west of Java. We call it CWD area. This area is mostly the tea leaf exported to other country, but this is the plantation, mostly they produce for the home industry. So you can have a look here. So many the plant here now they start grow very well, and this morning will be harvesting by the farmers. Not the farmer yet been done, they still need some instruction from the owners of the tea. So you can have a look here how the nice the leaf here. This is the two leaf mostly they harvesting, and the white tea. You can have a look here, they just take it on the top of the leaf. So why they harvest in the morning? Because you can have a look here. Maybe you can close how look like the leaf, most the figure of the leaf. So you can, if they take in during the day, so the leaf not so figured, they already evaporate of the water content in the leaf. So that's why they take in the morning. So on the other side, you can have a look here. The leaf, some of part of this, they already infected by the fungus. So this is, we are not taking of this leaf. So mostly the leaf they harvesting manually. Some of them they take by hand clipping. So but hand clipping, of course, they cut also this. In the house, they will select of the leaf. Mostly they take the best quality of the leaf like this. You can have a look different between infected, non-infected. Infected by the fungus, they are rejected, not to be exported, not to be used for, and then they will do, for the manure. This is chopping and killing the fungus by digging in the soil. So it will be made of this soil fertilizer. So it's the one of this. And here they're really doing what we call it integrated pest management. All these things, even if they found the insect, no any chemical we use. Mostly they use by herb, by using like others, the leaf for controlling of the insect, like a neem leaf they can use for controlling Helopeltis in the leaf of the tea. So this is the way mostly in here. So maybe you can have a look another side how the farmers harvesting of the leaf. But now I'm here stand not to show you how they're harvesting. Thank you. Good morning. So this you can have a look the leaf here. Now there is predator here. So now you can imagine this is the predator attack the Helopeltis of one of the insect in the tea leaf. So now the farmers are harvesting the leaf of tea. So So they're starting mostly in a group. I just give you how they're doing harvesting the tea. So now I told you how they're harvesting the leaf tea in the morning. So the leaf still good figure. So they're using of the clip, how to cut the leaf, young leaf by this clip. So this is early morning, how they collect the leaf still in figures, not during the day, because the leaf still good figures. So the evaporation not happen or still low. So they get really harvest of the leaf. So now we go in this area. In here we can have look the overlook of this the tea. So the color of the leaf little bit red. So this is the variety of Sinensis. So before we go their area with the completely green, young green. So that variety another and different with this variety. So this is the premium. And this variety, mostly the people like very much, particularly the people from Japan and Korea. So they mostly during the harvesting of the leaf by hand. So it's different before they're using clip. This is not the grade of the tea. So that's why it is mostly the people like very much of this variety, particularly the people well known about how the variety of the tea, Sinensis, and the colors of the leaf, even when they're harvesting and the processing, mostly the premium with different aromatic, different taste of the tea. So this is the variety of the Sinensis with the specific of the color, also the specific of the aromatic when they, for the tea during our drink of the tea. So you can have a look now the farmer harvesting the leaf by hand. This is the premium class of the tea. So we call it Sinensis. As I told you, this is mostly the tea exported to Japan and Korea. So the people of Korea and Japan, they like very much of this variety. So how you can have a look how they're harvesting one by one. So by hand, you can imagine how difficult to harvesting. This is the premium class of the tea.